The heart of your electric vehicle is its battery, a powerhouse unlike any in combustion engine vehicles. These rechargeable lithium-ion batteries boast a high energy density and an impressive lifespan. Charging is a breeze, whether at home or a public EV charging station. And thanks to advancements in technology, fast charging options are now reducing the time it takes to power up on the go. Tires might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to electric vehicles, but they're crucial. EV tires are designed with a unique tread pattern and even weight distribution, catering to the specific weight and torque demands of your vehicle. They ensure optimal handling, but it's worth noting that they may wear out faster than conventional tires due to these unique requirements. Though, one of the most ingenious features of electric vehicles is the regenerative braking system. This system cleverly captures the energy produced during braking and converts it back into electricity, which is then stored in the battery. It's a game changer for energy efficiency and driving range, pushing the boundaries of eco-friendly and economical driving by reducing the need for fossil fuels. Prepare to be surprised. Electric vehicles operate without a traditional transmission or gearbox. Thanks to the versatility of electric motors, which can run at various speeds, the need for gear shifts is eliminated. This results in a smoother ride and simpler drivetrain, meaning less maintenance for you. Plus, the immediate power delivery from the electric motor allows for responsive acceleration and braking, enhancing your driving experience. Understanding the components of your electric vehicle is not just fascinating, it's also incredibly practical. As you become more familiar with how these parts function, you'll be better equipped to handle any issues and maintain your EV's performance. Before you know it, you'll be an electric vehicle expert, ready to hit the road with confidence and knowledge.